Why do we do this? That question lingered in my head as we spent 8 days on skis, way up above the polar circle, dragging all our gear and food behind us in heavy pulks. These are long days with limited daylight, biting cold and piercing winds, deep snow and hefty loads. Conditions where humans generally don't thrive. We survive. So why do we put ourselves in this position and embrace the discomfort? Well, first of all, because it's just ridiculously beautiful. This is Sapmi, the land of the Sami people, also known as Lapland. We arrive late and get a final briefing from the comfort of a warm hotel. In the morning, we pack up all our stuff in the bulks and jump in a taxi. At a stone's throw from the Russian border, we say goodbye to civilization for the next 8 days. And then we're off. We quickly get the hang of skiing, on the flat parts at least. As much as possible, we follow recent snow scooter tracks. Much easier than making your own trail in the deep snow. Pretty soon we get into a steady rhythm, joined by the squeaking pulks. And the exercise keeps us warm. Every now and then we take a break. We drink our tea before it gets cold, adjust one of the many layers of clothing we're wearing, and quickly shove all kinds of snacks into our hungry faces. At temperatures often dipping below minus 20 degrees Celsius, the moment you stop moving, an imaginary clock starts ticking. So after about 10 minutes, you have to get moving again, if you want to avoid numb fingers and cold bones for the next hour. As we continue to climb and reach the tree line, we catch our first glimpse of reindeer. It's just a few animals at first, but they quickly regroup into big herds. It's a glorious sight. As the sun sets every day, we arrive at the one big piece of comfort we have on this trip, the hut. As soon as we arrive, everyone picks up a task. Unloading the pulks, getting the fire going, or searching for water. Sometimes there's an open stream, other times we have to dig a hole in the ice. The huts are primitive, dark and cramped. No electricity, no running water. But there's such a welcome relief after a day in the freezer. After dinner, we get all our stuff sorted, discuss the plans for the next day, or play a round of cards. And if we're lucky, we catch some northern lights. In the middle of our trip, we have a rest day. We sleep in and spend some welcome downtime together in the hut. After lunch, as the weather is clearing up, we head out for a short loop by climbing to the top of a nearby hill. Up there on the peak, the winds are absolutely brutal. But on the way down, we get our first proper look of the Tunturis, the barren, eroded hills that rise up from the vast forest below. This is the recipe for the next days. We start at first light, low in the valleys where the cold is trapped, and we slowly start ascending. When it gets really steep, we give each other a little push, or we try to. We scale over passes and peaks in search of sun and panoramas. Finland obliges and delivers in spades. As we come back down from the hills, the setting sun paints the treetops with gorgeous pink and golden hues. It's like we're walking through a candy-colored marshmallow land. When we finally reach the next hut, our faces are tired and content. It's still dark outside when we crawl out of our sleeping bags the next morning. and relight the fire. We pick up our routine with coffee and tea, breakfast, doing the dishes, and tending to the wounded.
Of is dat niet afgekomen?
Nee, ik zou het riskeren. Dat mijn secret stash tricks vergeten klaarzetten voor vandaag.
On our final days, it gets even colder. The views remain impeccable, and we try our best to fully enjoy the fairy tale scenery, the magical light peeking through the trees, and the overwhelming silence. When we finally get our sights on our destination, the promise of a warm hotel lifts our spirits. The final climb nearly breaks that spirit though, with wind chill temperatures down to -40. My face and fingers are showing signs of frostbite, and at this point I have to stop filming. Which brings me back to that question lingering in my head. Why do we do this? Well, by doing the hard things, choosing the big adventures, and embracing the discomfort, you reset your baseline, recalibrate your perspective. It makes you fully appreciate the actual comfort most of us live in day to day. It also makes you cherish the people around you. It's here that memories are made.